your success must have taken forever. Nope. You don't have to work hard or wait to live your dream life. My name is Vanessa Samaina, and today I am going to teach you how to create the life of your dreams fast. And what I first need you to understand is the following. That is that all that you ever have been or ever will be, all that you ever have been or ever will be exists in the now. Same is true for humanity. All that humanity ever has been or ever will be exists in the now. Creation is a concept that is finished. And what this means is that nothing will ever be created. Everything will only be manifested. Everything that you need in order for you to become healthy, wealthy, successful, rich, famous, it all already exists. You can learn how to access it all fast. Let me show you how. And this is where I need you to truly, deeply understand that creation is finished and that there is a huge difference between creation and creativeness. So creation is not equal to creativeness. Creation, my gorgeous soul, is finished. However, creativeness, that is where the realm of possibility lies. I'll put a little infinity symbol right here because creativeness is the realm of infinite possibilities. Creativeness is you becoming aware of all that is around you and being resourceful, using it in order for you to create your dream life. So it's you learning to use the tools that you've been given, the cards you've been dealt in life. Whereas creation is already finished because everything that ever existed and ever will exist exists in the now. Do you see how this is all divinely interwoven with one another? So creativeness is simply you becoming aware of all that already is. Fact is, you cannot be something that you aren't already. Another fact is that you cannot experience something that does not exist. And this is also why a lot of you are like little psychic CEOs. You intuitively feel when something is right. You intuitively feel something before it's even occurred. Like that feeling within you that you are destined for more greatness, or that feeling within you when someone isn't quite telling the truth. Because all of these realities and possibilities, they exist. Actually, the whole of creation exists within you. But are you aware of this? Because I really don't think that you are. But I'm here to make this abundantly clear to you. So if creation is already completed and everything is happening all now, all at the same time, this begs the question, how can I live the 3D reality of my dreams and my desires if it already exists? How can I quickly manifest more money? How can I quickly manifest my soulmate and true love? Insert whichever manifestation that you're working towards right now. Well, I will answer all of your questions for you. Hold on tight. Put extremely simply into one sentence, you have to change your self-agency concept. I like to call this your SAC, and I further developed this in my Psychic CEO program, but I want to explain your self-agency concept to you right here in great detail so you can truly internalize and understand this all-important manifestation concept and start using it to change your life for the better today. Okay, agency concept. Now, of course, right now you're asking yourself, Vanessa, what is my SAC? Well, your SAC is the concept that you have of yourself. Nobody can see this concept. It is completely internalized, which means that if you, for example, have a resting bee face, or more elegantly and eloquently said, a natural neutral face, you may have gotten a lot of these comments from people telling you that you seem confident, you seem self-assured, or they may have even thought that you're annoyed with them or uninterested. However, when we look into your internal landscape, your SAC may be completely different. Self-agency concept may actually reveal that you have anxieties, fears, uncertainties, insecurities that you are dealing with, but only you know about. So the result of this, my gorgeous soul, is that only you know your own SAC. Only you know your own SAC, which means that only you know how much you need to change your self-concept. Not even I, absolutely nobody can tell you what to do or how much that this needs to shift. Leave a star emoji below in the comment section to claim your self-agency concept and to manifest your personal power right back to you. Because that's what being a psychic CEO is all about, taking back your personal power and becoming conscious of all of the tools that you've got around you to create your dream life with. So coming back to getting what you want in life quickly, once you understand what your self-agency concept is, you will be able to understand this mind-blowing truth that not many people are aware of. And that is the following. Concepts determine route that attention. All right, my gorgeous soul, the truth is that concepts determine the route that attention follows. And this is where we're going to delve into the world of assets and liabilities. So over here we have assets, and to our right we have liabilities. So to manifest what you desire quickly, I will now guide you through this mega powerful meditation visualization right here, right now. So you can't procrastinate it, you can't put it off until later. And rather than just talking about theories, we are actually all about doing on this channel. So you will have already done your practice. If you can, I urge you to close your eyes in order to do this practice to make it a little more powerful. However, if you're somewhere where you can't do so, that's fine. Practicing the solidification of the self-agency concept of your desires works with your eyes open or closed. Will powerfully work for you either way. I want you to envision exactly how much money that you would like to make every single month. Envision that number right now before your eyes. And as you're envisioning it, I would like you to envision that number hitting your bank account at the end of the month. Assume the feeling of this just having happened. And now rest within these emotions. Observe the route that your attention has just taken. We'll now notice that for as long as you rest in this feeling of your income goal now being your new personal reality, so long will your attention be confronted with more images and more feelings that are clearly related to those assumptions and those thoughts. Your mind may wander off into you driving your dream car, living in your dream home, spending an abundance of time with your loved ones because you just can. And this meditation visualization works just as powerfully for love and relationships. If you assume you are in a wonderful relationship, if you assume you have found your soulmate, what you will envision before your eyes right now is either a new person or an existing person in your life. Coming home to them and having an amazing time together, going on romantic beach vacations, perhaps them proposing, starting a family with one another. You will notice how your attention will automatically create a lot of similar yet related images to the event that you are manifesting. Because remember, the energetic frequencies of the concepts that you are channeling right now, they determine the route that your attention will follow. And don't worry, I'm about to explain to you your assets and your liabilities in this. So when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back into the space if you've had your eyes closed. I'm just going to take a little moment. The perfectionist in me does not like how this has turned out. Slight improvement, but still an improvement. So the trick is that the longer you persist in this assumption, you start to create the reality of your desires extremely quickly. You persisting in your new self-concept agency will result in you actually experiencing that which you are assuming. So regardless of whether you desire more money, love, or fame, this manifestation practice and self-agency concept work that we just did together will work its magic on absolutely anything that you desire. So make sure that you save this video to practice this on a regular basis. Because by watching this video, you literally just started and engaged in your practice to manifesting anything that you desire quickly. So your self-agency concept assets are your positive thoughts. It is you envisioning your desires. And of course, as you're envisioning your desires, pairing it up with the emotion as though it's already happened for you. I will describe this as tuning into the EF, energetic frequency of your desires. My gorgeous soul, just as much as I want you to be aware of how powerful self-agency concept work is, I want you to also know that the opposite can be true if you allow for your mind to run rampant on the things that you don't desire. You want to make sure that you use this powerful tool to create more of what you desire, not more of what you don't. Promise to me that you will never, ever take on a self-agency concept that you either don't desire or haven't created for yourself, because that is you taking on a liability. And you guys know that I love business, so we are all about our assets. We are all about our income generating assets and leaving liabilities in the trash where they belong. So your liabilities would be undesirable SACs. So undesirable SACs could be a self-concept of yourself that you aren't worthy of the things that you desire. That is an undesirable self-agency concept for you to feel into, but also a self-agency concept that you never chose. So an SAC, created by others. What this means is if you grew up with a self-agency concept, dealing with parents, friends, a teacher, a boss that told you that you would never amount to anything, you did not consent to that self-agency concept, nor are we going to continue to allow you to live with this kind of SAC. We're dunking it in the trash. Remember, it's just a liability and it does not have to be your truth. So by completely ignoring any thoughts that are related to liabilities, you are funneling your precious, energetic, powerful frequency straight into your assets, into the self-agency concept that you desire to have of yourself. So you will automatically live the life of your dreams quickly. And this way, my gorgeous soul, you as the creator are using all that was created with your birth-given creativeness to live the exact experiences that you desire in your life. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality. Creation is already complete and here to serve you. Use your creativeness to design and live the life of your dreams. This, my gorgeous soul, is how you create the life of your dreams fast. I love you all so, so much. Ich liebe euch. Ihr seid die allerbesten. Don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching because we clearly vibe with one another, and according to my analytics, a lot of you are not yet subscribed. It's free, it's easy, and I would hate for you to miss out on another one of these life-changing manifestation concepts. Because after all, why wouldn't we take back control and become our own psychic CEOs? Here are some more videos for you that I know that you will love that are all on the topic of creating your dream life and learning how to effectively manifest. Sending you so much love wherever you are on this gorgeous planet. Und ich freue mich schon unglaublich viel, dich im nächsten Video begrüßen zu dürfen. And I'm already so excited to connect with you in one of my upcoming videos. Bye guys!